Let's fill out the North Dakota Motor Vehicle Bill of Sale together and avoid the small mistakes that cause big headaches when it's time to transfer the title and register the car. Start at the top with the date of sale. Then the seller's details. In our example, that's Anna Baker, with her address, phone, and email. Then the buyer's, Ben Carter, with the same. 2 quick habits. Enter each name exactly as it appears on that person's ID and on the title. A nickname or a typo can stall the transfer later. And don't leave any line blank. If something doesn't apply, write NA. An empty box is an invitation to change the document after it's signed. Next, describe the vehicle: make, model, body type, year, color, and the odometer reading. 2 that people get wrong. The VIN, type all 17 characters exactly as they appear on the title. A single wrong digit can stall the title transfer. And the odometer, write the exact reading, not a rounded guess. A sloppy number can look like odometer fraud. Now the sale price, in our example, $8,500, and how it's paid, here, paid in full by check with taxes included. Write the real price. Lowballing it to shave the sales tax can come back as back taxes and penalties, and it leaves the buyer with weaker proof of what they actually paid. Finally, signatures. The seller and the buyer each print their name, sign, and date. 2 things before you're done. An unsigned or undated bill of sale may not hold up, so make sure every signature has a date beside it. And make 2 copies. Each side keeps a signed one. The buyer needs it to register the vehicle, and the seller needs it as proof they are no longer responsible for that car. Hey there, and welcome. Let's walk through what this state requires when you're selling a vehicle. First, you'll need a bill of sale, or an affidavit of ownership. This is the core document that makes everything official. On that document, you'll need to include the sale price, so make sure that number is clearly written in. You'll also need to record the date of sale and include the vehicle identification number, so the right car is tied to the right transaction. For the seller, you'll need to provide your full name, your residence address, and your mailing address. And for the buyer, their legal name needs to be on the document as well. Now, odometer disclosure information is required, so you'll need to record the mileage at the time of the sale. If there's a lien holder on the vehicle, you'll need to include their name and address as part of the process. When it comes to signing, this state requires the signature of the director, so make sure that's taken care of. And here's an important one. Notarization is required, meaning a notary stamp must be affixed to the document. Finally, the original certificate of title needs to be transferred as part of the sale, so have that ready to hand over. That covers the key requirements. Remember, this is general information, not legal or tax advice.